and look how healthy and how beautiful this hair. It's all natural luster without any processing, and all the cuticle is on the same direction and 100% cuticle intact. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joyce here. Many people want to say what is the Fullness is our long Chinese raw version here, and today let me show you this 32 inches Chinese hair bundle, and this is the root of the hair, and this is the end of the hair, and all these hair are actually 1 or 2 inches longer than its length, so which means this is 32 inches, but you can actually measure it to 33 or 34 inches, so there isn't any problem like the hair is thin. That's not a problem for our raw version hair. And also people asking what is the origin of this hair. Actually all this raw version hair, we already said it's Chinese hair, so we actually got this hair from a young Chinese woman, and firstly we make sure that their hair is healthy without any type of dye, colorness or bleaching, and then we take their hair, we pay them a good payment. That's why the raw version hair is more expensive than other type of hair. They're getting well picked. And also each and every bundle are from the single donor, so you will see all the hair is very purified color. There is no any filler, that's out of the question. No any type of filler you will find on this hair, and the color is natural and without any process, so all the hair are unprocessed with all the cuticle. All the luster you see is actually from its natural luster. The more you comb it, and it become more shining and more luster it will become. So all the cuticle is on the same direction, so you won't face any type of tangling or whatever issue. And this hair is purified from the single donor, so it can be bleached to color 613 or color 60. Even when you bleach it, you will see all the hair become gradually same color at the same times, because it's from the same donor, so all the hair can take in bleaching at the same speed. No any problem like tangling or whatever. And this hair is very well going to the earth, no any flyaway you will face. Very much silky. Look at the thickness of this hair. Look closely at each and every strand. The end of the hair and the root of the hair. So if you want the best hair at best quality and lasting for many years, make sure to consider and purchase our raw version Chinese hair. You feel what is the best hair actually. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, please do subscribe, watch other video of us to know more about the hair. Thank you again. Have a great day.